Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about the preparation of the phenol from benzene through cumene. Okay, so this reaction is known as the cumene phenol method. Okay, here benzene reacts with propene in the presence of the phosphoric acid to form cumene. In this cumene, see, this is the benzene part and this is the isopropyl part. So this is called the isopropyl benzene. Okay, this isopropyl part has come from the propene. So this reaction is known as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. Next, this cumene oxidizes in the presence of the oxygen at 130 degrees centigrade temperature to form cumene hydroperoxide. Okay. See, this is the hydroperoxide linkage. It looks like a hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Here the oxidation number of the oxygen is -1. Here also same -1 and -1. So this cumene to cumene hydroperoxide mechanism is known as the free radical mechanism. Okay. Next, this cumene hydroperoxide is converted to the phenol in the presence of the dilute sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. In this reaction, acetone is formed as a byproduct and it also known as the propanol, and this pathway is known as hydroperoxide rearrangement. Okay, so this overall reaction is very important for any competitive examination. So please remember this intermediate cumene hydroperoxide which has asked several times in examination. Now I will discuss the stepwise mechanism. At first we have to check the mechanism for the formation of the cumene from benzene in the presence of phosphoric acid. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. First of all, we want to know what is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So in this reaction, benzene can react with alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid. Okay, Lewis acid like ferric chloride or aluminum chloride. Okay, to form a carbon-carbon bond between alkyl carbon and aromatic carbon. Okay. Here, propene reacts with benzene in the presence of acid to form cumene. Okay, so this reaction is called acid catalyzed Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now see, this propene react with H plus ion. This H plus ion coming from phosphoric acid, because this phosphoric acid ion is to form 3H plus ion and PO4 3 minus. Okay, so this propene react with H plus ion to form two carbocation. One is 2 degree carbocation, another is 1 degree carbocation. Okay, now 2 degree carbocation is more stable than 1 degree carbocation because there are two factors. One is plus I effect of the methyl group, another is hyperconjugation. See, this 2 degree carbocation contains two methyl group, therefore they push the electron towards the carbocation. Therefore this carbocation become more stable than 1 degree carbocation. Okay, next this benzene contain pi electron cloud, therefore this pi electron cloud can attack to the electrophilic center, that is carbocation center. Therefore a sigma complex is formed. Okay, so this reaction is called aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so next this proton has removed from this sigma complex to form the desired cumene. Okay, in this way benzene to cumene is formed. Next we have to check the mechanism for the formation of the cumene hydroperoxide from cumene in the presence of oxygen at 130 degrees centigrade temperature. So this reaction follows the free radical pathway. First of all, we want to know how to form a free radical. Okay, so a free radical is formed by the homoradical cleavage of the covalent bond. Okay, so a radical is a single electron species. Okay, and its moment has expressed by Haber. Okay, so here this oxygen, the covalent bond has cleaved to form the oxygen radical. Okay, and in cumene this CH bond has cleaved to form cumene radical and hydrogen radical. See, this cumene radical is a 3 degree radical and it is stabilized through resonance within benzene. Okay, so next this oxygen radical comes to the cumene radical to form a CO bond, and another oxygen radical comes to the hydrogen radical to form a OH bond, and finally a hydroperoxide linkage is formed. Okay, in this way cumene hydroperoxide is formed from cumene. Okay. Next, we have to check the reaction mechanism for the formation of the phenol and acetone from cumene hydroperoxide in the presence of sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. This reaction follows hydroperoxide rearrangement mechanism. Okay, see, this is cumene hydroperoxide and it has two oxygen and they can able to capture this H plus ion. See, this H plus ion comes from sulfuric acid. Okay, this sulfuric acid ion is to form 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay. Next, if this oxygen capture this proton, then it's form OH2 plus, so easily remove water, but here it is not possible. Next, this phenyl ring has migrated to this oxygen and then water has removed. Okay, then it's formed a carbocation species. See, here phenyl is migrated to this oxygen because it has higher migratory aptitude than methyl group. In this reaction, one group is migrated to this another group, so this mechanism is called rearrangement mechanism. Okay, next is this carbocation is stabilized by the electron donation from the oxygen lone pair, and next the oxygen lone pair of water has attacked to this carbon center, then this electrons come to this oxygen. Okay, next one H plus ion has removed and form OH bond. Next, this electrons comes to this bond and this bond breaks to form phenoxide ion. Okay, this phenoxide ion takes one H plus ion from the medium and form phenol. Okay, and that this rest part is acetone. Okay, in this way, phenol and acetone is formed from cumene hydroperoxide. Okay. Hope you have understand today's discussion. In the next video, I will discuss about the acidity nature of the phenol and the acidity order of the substituted phenols. If you like the video, please press the like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe the channel, and to get the new video, please press the bell icon. Thank you. See you soon.